video we're going to take a look at client-side conditional styling, and our goal is to style the grid so that the quantity field displays in different colors depending on the actual quantity. So let's go back to design mode, and you can see here for the quantity field we have a property called conditional styles. But you'll notice that conditional style appears in the property sheet twice, once in this section over here and once over here. The difference is critical. This conditional style is a so-called server-side conditional style, and the style information is computed on the server, which means that the expressions that define the conditions are XBasic conditions. These conditions here are computed in the browser, so-called client-side, and that means that the expressions that define the style are JavaScript. Because the conditions are computed on the client in the browser, they're done in real time with no AJAX callbacks, and so the conditions can be applied as you're doing data entry. So let's go ahead now and define our conditions. We'll add a condition and we'll say quantity is greater than 0 and quantity is less than 10, and then we'll go ahead here and we'll choose, say, red on a pink background. Then let's go ahead here and add a second condition. This time we'll say quantity is greater than 10 and less than 20, and this time we'll choose, say, maybe say a light blue on a dark blue. That's not a good choice over there. Say on a gold background, and then let's add a third and final condition, our so-called true condition. So this will be the condition that will be applied if none of the other conditions are true. So we'll just say 1 equals 1, and we'll go ahead here and we'll choose, say, red on a green background. So not very pretty, but it'll make our point here. So let's go ahead now and save it, and save the grid, and let's open it up in Google Chrome, and see what it looks like. So here's our data. You can see basically that the values between 0 and 10 are formatted like this. If we type in a value that's above 10, the formatting changes to that. Here's our value for the new records, and if I type in, say, 2 over there and 5 over there, you can see the value changing automatically. Let's go here and make that 12, etc. So you can see client-side formatting allows you to easily format your data in real time using JavaScript.